Hello everyone and welcome to Porini Boutique Residence located off Mombasa Rd. My name is Collins Jigona. I'll be taking you through the construction updates up to date. Currently, we have various activities taking place. We have the civil works, that's for the parking, for the first block, which is block A. Currently, we are doing the hardcore laying, which is the foundation for the road. Thereafter, we'll be doing the road curbs, road channels, and finish off with the road with the cabros. For the finishers, currently we're working on the show house, which we're doing the internal plaster works, which are done. We're also working on the external plasters, which are the renders. For the structural works, we are currently casting the third floor slab, which is our fourth level. We'll be remaining with only one slab, then we'll be done with the first block, which is block A. And that has been the construction update. Stay tuned for more updates.